So last class, let's move on to class. Can you can you hear me? I hope clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on to class. Last class we had discussed about what is right, a central repository, that new terminology, and what is central repository, and that is central workspace, and what is local workspace, and how to connect your local workspace to central workspace, and so what is the internal right, that is Git architecture, and what are the stages available, and how it will work. Already last class we seen. So anyone any doubt? So if you understand this concept, nothing, almost you can understand Git and all, remaining only commands only, how to play with commands only. This is the main part. If you understand what is the architecture, and if you use any command, so how it will work, we can easily understand. So anyone any doubt yesterday class? This is the local workspace. What is this? This is the local repository or local workspace. Both are same only, don't confuse here. So this is the central workspace. What is this? So this is the central workspace. So this is the central workspace. So workspace, this is the central workspace, and this is the local workspace. And so which version control we used? GitHub. Yesterday we configure, right? So what is that? GitHub. So what is this? Here our account is github.com. GitHub. This is our remote server. And yesterday we created one repository. What is this? So number 2023. And what is the branch name we used? Master branch. This is the branch name. This is the repository name. This is the branch. And so here we have three stages, right? What is the first one? Working area or untracked files. What is this first one? Working area or untracked file. Working area or untracked files. What is the second one? Staging area. Staging or index area. Index. And the last one is local repository.
Local
This is
repair.
the local. This is the
Local.
so local repo.
Local.
This is the local repo. And if you want to connect local to central, which one we used? Git client software. Which one you used? Git client software. Already last class installed, right? So Git client software. This is the software we need to install. And here we used if we create any new file, and last class we discussed a few commands, right? So what are those commands? Same only. First, if you want to create any empty repository in our local machine, so what is this? Git init command. What is this command? Git init. It is initializing on empty repository in our git init. And so if you want to check files and all, ls ls command mostly we are using. Ls command, it will display all files and directories. If you want to create any file, so this is the empty file only. This is the empty file only. We can create a touch command. Next, if you want to create file, so now if you want to check the status, git status command. We can use multiple times git status. And so git add command. Next, git status command. Next, commit git commit -m. And what is the message name? We can give proper message. Okay, this is the, we can pass any message, but meaningful message we have to give, so everyone see this message only, it will display. Now git status command. Git status command. Now if you want to push local to central, git push command. If you want to push local to central, git push command. And if you want to see the logs, git log command. So anyone any doubt these commands? Already yesterday we discussed, right? So what is git add command, git status? So if we create any new file, first file is available here. First available here. For example, test.txt. So this is a new file. If you use a touch space file name, if you want to move this file to working area to index area, what is the command? Yesterday we used one command, right? What is the command? Git add file name. If we have only one file, we can use add, git add file name. Suppose if we have multiple files, we are using dot command. Dot represents current working directory. Which are the files you modified current working directory? If you want to copy all files, we can use git add dot. If you have only one file, that case we can use file name also. Now got it? If you have multiple files, suppose you modified 10 files, can you pass 10 files here? We can pass. That is very hard, right? That is the reason we are using git add dot command. Git add dot command. Git add dot command. And so now this file come to which area? Working area to working area to staging area. Now this file is move on to working area to staging area. It is coming to here. Now if you want to move local repository, what is the command? Git commit -m. If you want to move, so local to, if you want to move local to central, that is staging to local repository, git commit -m and message name. We can give any name, any message, that is your wish. Okay, now got it. Now this file is available which area? This file is available which area? Local repository. Anyone any doubt, guys? Only 3 commands, hardly 5 commands. Now finally from local to I want to move central repository. What is the command? If you want to move local to central, which command we used? So this is
Git
the
push.
git push command. That is the final command. Once everything working fine, if you want to push local to central, and finally we are using what is the command? Git push origin -u, or simply we can use git push also if you are working with push git push. So this is the remote and branch name. This is the branch name. That's it. So git push origin, we can use branch name git push -u origin, and we can use, there is simply we can use git push also, it will work, no problem. So now it will, this file is move on to local repository to central repository. So daily we are using, if you modified anything here, if you modified anything here, and so if you modified anything here, and if you want to push local to central, if you want to push local to central, if you want to push local to central, this is the process now. So anyone any doubt here? And every we can see status, where is your file, where is your file? Okay, git status. If you want to see logs and all, git log command. If you want to check the status, so I hope you got some idea, right? Anyone any doubt here? Let me open same thing. Yesterday I opened, right? So yesterday I created this system. Now how to open? Right click, go to more, and there is a open git bash here. This is the software we need to install in our local machine. If already available, you don't worry. If already available, you don't worry. Okay. And so already available, we need to install. If not available, we have to install. How to install? Already last class we seen, right? So this is the git git software, or download git download. If you type git download, now this is the official website. See here, git is official, click on downloads, and here we can see Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So based on your operating system, we can select. I am using a Windows, right? Just click on Windows and select. So which, what is the operating system type, whether you are using 64-bit or 32-bit, select anyone, whatever you want, you can select. Clear? Anyone any doubt? What, Shiva? Uday, clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is very simple only. So now I open here, right? I opened it here. Now right click, open git bash. See here, open git bash. Now how I want to see files, what are the files? So what is the command? ls. Ls means it will display all files and directories in the current working directory. So right now this is my path, desktop November 2023, and I am in master branch. If you want to check all files and directories in current working directory, so we can use ls command. We can use ls command. That's it. You can use ls command. So we can use ls command.
సార్
Yes, sir.
సార్ సెంట్రల్ వర్క్ స్పేస్ లో మనం ఫోల్డర్స్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు సార్.
చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ రియల్ టైంలో 100% వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇన్ సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీ. సో హియర్ వీ కాంట్ టచ్ ఎనీథింగ్. మనం ఇక్కడ చేసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ పబ్లిక్ ఓన్లీ, రైట్? అవర్ రిపాజిటరీ. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్, యూ డోంట్ వరీ, చేసుకోవచ్చు
ఓకే
మాన్యువల్గా. బట్ బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ 99% వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ వన్ ఓన్లీ.
ఓకే
Or we can use, I am going to introduce one more tool also, GUI also we can create. So directly no one is creating, but in rare case if you want we can create here also. If you want to we can create. So here, right? So if you want to create any file, any folder, directly we can create here also. Here only maximum we can create. These are the options. See here, create new file, upload file only. But real time I am not touching here. No one is touching here. GUI level. This is a private repository, right? And real time mostly everyone they are updating local machine only. From local only they are pushing to central. I hope you got it, Karthik.
ఎస్
సో
సార్.
మనం ఎప్పుడు మన లోకల్ నుంచి పుష్ చేయాలి, డైరెక్ట్గా సెంట్రల్కి వెళ్ళి మాడిఫై చేయకూడదు. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీ. సో మోస్ట్లీ వీఆర్ మాడిఫైయింగ్ ఇన్ అవర్ లోకల్ మిషన్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఇన్ అవర్ సో లోకల్ మిషన్ ఓన్లీ. ఇన్ అవర్ what is admin escape admin all. Okay, okay. So most of the cases we are using local to central only. Most of the cases we are using local to central only. Most of the cases we are using local to central only. Clear? Anyone any doubt?
ఎస్ సార్.
That's it. Okay, now let me create one file. So this is the local, right? So this is the local. So this is the local mission. This is the local mission, and this is the local mission. Let me create one file. If you want to create any file, what is the command? So now ls, it will display all files and all. If you want to see ls-la, ls-la. If you want to see ls-la, it will display, see here, all hidden files, including hidden files. So this is yesterday. This is the only one time setup. Every day, every time no need to give git init and all. That is only one time. That is only one time. That is only one time. Now let me create one file. What is the command? If you want to create any file, git
టచ్.
touch sorry, touch touch space. Actually this is a Linux command. For example, I am giving one file. So what is this file? Just git test.txt file I given. Or if you want to add content also we can use. That case we can use directly via editor also. If anyone know Linux basic commands, we can easily understand. This is a VA editor and file name. File name. For example, see here, git test.txt file I given. Now it will come like this. This is a window. If you want to add any content, if you want to modify, if you want to add any content, first we need to give I keyboard. I means now it will move on to insert mode. I means insert mode. So I means insert mode. Now see here, and so this is just whatever you want. This is test file. Okay. Okay, whatever you want we can use. Git test file. Whatever you want we can give escape colon save and exit. X is nothing but save and exit. So once entire whatever you want, if you updated, మీకు ఏం కావాలి అప్డేట్ చేసి ఫైనల్గా ఏం చేయాలి? సో I means insert mode. Now bottom we can observe. Now it is insert mode. We can update. Once the data is updated, escape. In our keyboard we need to press escape. Next shift colon. See here, two dots. Next X, save and exit. Or also we can use WQ also. Save and quit. That is quit the file. Instead of we can give same X command. Now if you want to see the content whether really added or not, cat space git test.txt. See here, this is a git test file. Now this file is available which area? Here only, working area. That is nothing but untracked file. See here, git status. Now correct, right? Yes or no? See, untracked files. Untracked means right now this file there is no history. For this file there is no history. Now how to move to staging area? What is the command? Git add file name. We can use file name, and if we have multiple files, so at that time we can use dot. Now clear? Git status. Now check it. Now see here, earlier it is red, now it is green. Now it is in staging area. Now it is in staging area. If you want to move on staging area, we can use this command. Now let's move on to commit. Git commit -m. We need to give proper message in real time. We have to give proper. Don't give whatever you know. మనకి ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు ఇవ్వకూడదు ఇక్కడ మెసేజ్ అనేది, ఎందుకంటే అందరూ చూస్తారు ఈ మెసేజ్ని. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ప్రాపర్ మెసేజ్. Okay, now I am giving, for example, created, okay, git test.txt file. Now everyone can understand. Okay, so in this commit, so what is the message I given? Created git test.txt file. Now if you want to see the logs, what is the command? Git అంటే నాకు తెలియాలి కదా ఎవరు పుష్ చేసినారు ఈ ఫైల్ని, ఎవరు మాడిఫై చేశాడు. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? గిట్ log, last command. If you want to see, now committed done, right? Now we don't have any history. See here, this is the yesterday date. Today I committed, right? This is the local, this is the yesterday date. Just now I committed one file. Now can you see this file in central repository? చూడొచ్చా చూడలేమా? I committed, right? Committed means committed files, all committed files available where? In our local machine only. Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
So now I want to move this file to central. Now what is the command? నాకు ఈ
Git
ఫైల్
push.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? సెంట్రల్కి వెళ్ళాలి. సో నౌ గో టు హియర్, గేట్ పుష్. ఓకే, బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్. విచ్ బ్రాంచ్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్? నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్
Master.
నేమ్? అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్? మాస్టర్, రైట్? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? So now we need to give master. That's it. Now if you type this command, it is asking token ID for your case. For your case, it is asking first time token ID. How to generate token ID? So this is the already, go to your account, go to settings, go to settings, go to settings, go to developer settings, go to developer settings, and personal access tokens, and click on token classic and generate tokens. Select classic. That's it. It is asking for our case, it is asking one name. It is asking one name and enter name, and it is generating one token ID. Copy that token ID. That's it. Anyone any doubt here?
No doubt.
Okay, that is very first time only. Every time no need to give that one. So every time no need to give that one. That is only one time. We need to generate password only one time. So now authentication it is asking. So this is two-step verification. My account. Let me finish this one. Where is this one? Close. Start. 216841. Okay, it will come my notification. Now see here, it is asking name. We can give any name. Okay, test token. Next, expire. How many days? 60 days, 90 days, or no expiration. Okay, select whatever you want and just select repositories, and we'll see later. First one, select repositories. See here, access commit status, access deployment status, access public repositories, access repository invitations, and so read and write security events. Just select it, click on the so generate token. That's it. Click on generate token. That's it. Very simple. Once that is done, copy this token ID, keep somewhere. Already in my, so already added my token ID. So that is the reason it won't ask every time. Already added. Only first time. Only first time. If you go to here, so but this token ID it won't work for you. Already this is my token ID. Already this is my token ID. This token ID it won't work for you. Okay. You need to generate in your mission. That's it. Clear? Sadik, anyone any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, very simple only. This is very important. Now see here, push is also done. Go to here, github.com, go to here, go to here, go to click on this. Now we can see that latest file also. See here, we can see that latest file, git test. Now click on this. Now we can see whatever you want, we can update. So hardly 5 commands only, hardly 5 commands. So these are the fixed commands. If you want to push, any file, if you want to push any file, how to create file and how to push local to central, how to push local to central, how to push local to central. 1 second, someone is calling. Hello? Yes? Yeah. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry. I got call from office. Okay. Now, where are you? Here, right? So this is the central. Now file is available central and we can see content also. Now anyone, any doubt here? These commands. So how to add, how to status and how to check the log, how to push it, how to commit this file staging to working area, local repository, and how to push local to central. That's it. Now this is the push command. I hope you got it right. Anyone, any doubt? If it is clear, let's move on to another command. Very important.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. So repository means multiple people working parallel, right? Yes or no? You are the one developer or you are the DevOps engineer. Suppose there is one more resource also working, just assume. Okay. One more resource also available here. And so this is another resource. Is very important, another resource. Okay. He committed some files. He committed some files. If he committed files, can you see those files in our local machine? He committed means those files available where? Local or central? There is one more resource. So this is the one developer, or just assume you are the one or DevOps engineer, and he also created some files and he modified files and he pushed files to central repository. These files, this is the, just assume this is the developer one. Okay. And he is the developer two, or you are the DevOps engineer, whatever it may be. Okay. DevOps engineer. And you modified, you created some files, configuration files, or else some automation files. You did some files. I hope you got it right. Now he created one file. He also pushed this file central repository. Now this file developer one can see or not? Anyone? చూడొచ్చా చూడలేమా? For example, I configure some files, conf configuration files. Just assume dev dot or devops.txt file I created, or I am creating something, right here, jenkins.txt file I created, one configuration file. And this guy, as a DevOps engineer, I pushed this file to central repository. Now that file is available here. Someone put on mute, please. Jenkins.txt. Hello. Meet better. Someone. Yes. Okay. Now DevOps engineer push file to central repository. Now he is the developer one. So now developer one can see this file local machine or not. Actually, this file available jenkins.txt file here. Here only. Here only. Here only. Okay. Now developer one so చూడగలచ్చా చూడలేడా? చూడొచ్చా చూడలేడా? jenkins.txt file
చూడొచ్చు.
చూడొచ్చా? So this file is
చూడొచ్చు.
available central, right? Now this is right now I mean local. directly we cannot see. We need to execute one command. Correct? అర్థమవుతుందా? Now see here. Now I'm creating one more folder. Just assume here I don't have two missions, right? I'm creating one more folder. Just assume you are the DevOps engineer, or you are the DevOps engineer, and so I am using same repository. I am using same repository. I am using same repository. I am using same repository only. Git clone. First, let me clone it. I will explain what is clone command and all. Don't confuse here. Just assume. Copy this code and go to here. Okay, ls. Now just assume he is the DevOps engineer, and cd space so nov, and already we have three files. I am also working same project. You also working same project. Both are working same project. And so this is the developer one. This is the developer one. Just assume ls. Here also I can see three files. devops.txt with text same. If you come to DevOps folder also, just assume this is the one more mission. I can see same only. Now see here folder name is DevOps. Now DevOps engineer creating one more file. Such a space. For example, Jenkins.txt file he created. Remaining story same only. Git status and so git add and git commit -m and so Jenkins file. Okay. Now this is local available. This is the local available. Now we cannot see that file here. Developer environment we cannot see. See here. Here we can't see this file. Which environment that file is available? This is the DevOps folder. This is the DevOps another resource. Now push it first. Git push. Just I am giving master. Now this file is available where, guys? Central also. Now see here. Refresh it. Refresh it. Now see here. Now file is available central. Now file is available here. Now file is available here. Now he is the DevOps engineer. Sorry, he is the developer. He want get this file. వీడికి కూడా ఏం కావాలి ఈ ఫైల్ లోకల్కి రావాలి. Now see here, right now we can't see here. ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఆ ఫైల్. Now how to update local repository? How to update local repository?
Git pull
Very
by using
important.
pull
Very
request.
important. Interview also mostly 100% they are asking what is git pull command? What is git pull command? See here, git. So now if you want to update git pull command, if you use git pull command, now see here it is updated. Git pull command. See git branch set upstream and all. What it is saying? It is updated or not? So let's check it whether it is updated or not. Not yet, right? Git pull remote and branch name same one, right? I am pointing. Okay, now let us git pull git pull remote. What is the branch name here? I am using master only, right? They are also master,
Yes.
here also master. Correct one, right? Why it is asking remote origin origin branch name is master. Okay. Now see here. Now earlier it won't ask. Maybe it is there. They updated every time we have to execute this command. Git pull remote origin branch name. Now one file changed. Now check it. Now see here. Now we can see that file jenkins.txt file. So enter also most of the cases they are asking what is difference, what is a git pull command. Now what you understand, git pull means whenever if you want to update your local repository, whenever if you want to update your local repository, so that case we have to use git pull command. Now got it? This is the developer, this is the
సార్
developer. Yes.
సార్ గిట్ పుష్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మనము ఫైల్ నేమ్ యాడ్ చేసాం కదా సార్ అదే ఫైల్ వెళ్ళాలని.
అవును, ఇప్పుడు గిట్ పుల్ అంటే ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుందంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెంట్రల్, రైట్? దిస్ ఇస్ ద సెంట్రల్,
అవును సార్.
దిస్ ఇస్ ద లోకల్.
ఇప్పుడు సెంట్రల్ నుంచి లోకల్ లెక్క అన్ని ఫైల్స్ వస్తాయి సార్ గిట్ ఫుల్ యూజ్ చేస్తే?
అన్ని అంటే ఏ ఫైల్ మాడిఫై చేసింటే ఆ ఫైల్స్ అన్ని అప్డేట్ అవుతాయి.
ఓకే. మనకి ఒకటే కావాలా అలా తెచ్చుకోలేమా సార్?
ఆల్రెడీ అన్ని నీ దీంట్లో ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ, ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది ఇక్కడ నీకు,
ఓహ్!
నీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని
ఓకే.
ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తానంటే నేను
నో నో అతని డౌట్ ఏమంటే అన్ని ఫైల్స్ కదా, నాకు ఓన్లీ ఒక ఫైలే కావాలి దాంట్లో నుంచి అంటున్నాడు.
ఏ ఫైల్?
ఇప్పుడు నాకు దాంట్లో ఆల్రెడీ డెవాప్స్ ఉంది, గిట్ టెస్ట్ ఉంది, శాంపుల్ టెక్స్ట్ ఉంది. నాకు ఓన్లీ జెన్కిన్స్ ఫైల్ మాత్రమే కావాలి.
నీకు వాడు ఏం ఫైల్స్ ఉన్నాయని నీకు ఎక్కడ తెలుస్తుంది? ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్
ఓకే
డెవలపర్స్, మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ వర్కింగ్ ప్యారలీ ఎవ్రీడే ఏం చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, చాలా మంది చాలా ఫైల్ పుష్ చేసేస్తుంటారు. అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు మనం
యెస్ సార్.
మోస్ట్లీ నేను చేసే పని కూడా ఏం చేస్తానంటే గిట్ పుల్ కమాండ్ వాడతాను. పుల్ వాడితే నా సెంటర్లో ఏముందో సేమ్ కోడ్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా నా లోకల్లో అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది. సింక్ అవ్వాలి, ఫస్ట్ సింక్ అవ్వాలి, ఇది ఇది రెండు మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే.
నవ్వు ఘాటేట. ఇప్పుడు మనం
యెస్ సార్.
ఇద్దరే కాదు ఉండేది ఇక్కడ, మామూలుగా రియల్ టైంకి వచ్చినామంటే మన ఇద్దరు ఉన్నాం ఇక్కడ. టెస్టర్స్ ఉంటారు, డెవలపర్స్ ఉంటారు, డెవాప్స్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉంటారు, మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ వర్కింగ్ ప్యారలీ. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం పుష్ చేసినారు నీకు కరెక్ట్గా తెలియదు కదా, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు పర్టికులర్గా ఏం తెచ్చుకోండి. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే సింక్ చేయాలి. సింక్ అంటే లేదు, నా లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ కోడ్ సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీ కోడ్ రెండు మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ చేయాల్సిన వర్క్ అది మనం. ఇప్పుడు మనం పుల్ వాడినాం అనుకో, సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సో దిస్ గై మాడిఫైడ్ అగైన్ వన్ ఫైల్, నవ్ సీ హియర్. నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను, ఇది డెవలపర్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే డెవాప్స్ క్యాట్ స్పేస్ డెవాప్స్ డాట్ టీఎక్స్టీ ఒక లైన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. సేమ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను కమ్ టు డెవాప్స్ ఫోల్డర్, క్యాట్ స్పేస్ డెవాప్స్. సో ఇక్కడ డేటా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు వీడియో ఏం చేస్తా అంటే డెవలపర్ ఏదో అప్డేట్ చేశాడు డెవ్ విఐ డెవాప్స్ డాట్ టీఎక్స్టీ ఇన్సర్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు వన్ మోర్ లైన్ అప్డేటెడ్ డెవాప్స్. ఓకే, ఓన్లీ అవాస్ రైట్ అవాస్ ఫైల్ ఎస్కేప్ కోలన్ ఎక్స్. సో నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను, గో టు హియర్, ఏ ఫోల్డర్ మాత్రం డెవలపర్ రైట్. నవ్ కమ్ టు హియర్ డెవాప్స్ ఫోల్డర్, నవ్ క్యాట్ స్పేస్ డెవాప్స్ డాట్ టీఎక్స్టీ. నవ్ సీ హియర్ వీ కెన్ సీ ఓన్లీ ప్రీవియస్ డేటా. ఇప్పుడు డెవలపర్ అనేవాడు ఈ ఫైల్ని ఏదో మాడిఫై చేశాడు. నవ్ గాట్ ఇట్. వీడు డెవాప్స్లో ఉండా నేను. ఇప్పుడు డెవలపర్ 1 అనేవాడు వీడేదో సమ్ ఫైల్ మాడిఫై చేశాడు, అప్డేట్ చేశాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఈ డేటా నేనేం చేయాలి, అప్డేట్ చేయాలి నా లోకల్లో, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ వర్క్. వీ కెనాట్ పుష్ ఇట్ లోకల్ టు సెంట్రల్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ అండాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా కార్తీక్? ఇప్పుడు వీడు ఏం
యెస్ సార్.
చేశాడు,
అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఒక ఫైల్ని మాడిఫై చేశాడు, పుష్ చేసేసాడు సెంట్రల్కి. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వేం చేయాలి, ఇప్పుడు నీకు డౌట్ ఏమి, ఇప్పుడు ఏం తెచ్చుకోవాలి? సరే ఒక ఫైల్ని కూడా తెచ్చుకున్నాను ఇక్కడికి, నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ నువ్వు పుష్ చేయాలంటే ఇట్ వోంట్ అలౌ, అది ఒప్పుకోదు. అది ఎందుకు ఒప్పుకోదంటే నీ సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీ కోడ్ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ కోడ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సింకింగ్. అంటే రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి నువ్వు ఏదైనా మాడిఫై చేయాలంటే. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ లేటర్ దట్ కాన్సెప్ట్,
ఓకే.
దట్ ఈస్ గిట్ కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్ అంటాం మామూలుగా దాన్ని, దట్
ఓకే
కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్
సార్.
అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్గా నేనేం చెప్తానంటే, సో సెంటర్లో ఏముందో ఏ చేంజెస్ వచ్చినాయి, న్యూ చేంజెస్, ఆ చేంజెస్ మొత్తాన్ని నా లోకల్లో కూడా అప్డేట్ చేయాలి. మేబీ 1 ఫైల్ ఉండొచ్చు, 2 ఫైల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, 100 ఫైల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు, 1000 ఫైల్స్ ఉండొచ్చు. ఈ ఏదేదో న్యూ చేంజెస్ వచ్చినాయి సెంట్రల్కి, ఆ చేంజెస్ మొత్తాన్ని నా లోకల్లో కూడా అప్డేట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ యువర్ లోకల్, ఇప్పుడు నేనేం కమాండ్ వాడాలి ఇక్కడ, నా లోకల్లో
గిట్ పుల్
అప్డేట్
సార్.
గిట్ పుల్ కమాండ్. పుల్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు సమ్ చేంజెస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ సెంటర్లో నాకేమైంది ఇక్కడ, రీఫ్రెష్ కొట్టారంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఇక్కడ, సో రీఫ్రెష్ కొట్టారంటే ఒకటి కమిట్ చేయలేదు, మనం మాడిఫై చేసాం అంతేనా. నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ సేమ్ కమాండ్ గిట్ స్టేటస్ గిట్ యాడ్ గిట్ పుష్ గిట్ కమిట్ స్పేస్ -m అప్డేటెడ్ సో డెవ్ యాప్స్ అప్డేట్ చేసాం. గిట్ పుష్ వీళ్ళు పంపించేశారు, వీళ్ళు గిట్ పుష్ ఆరిజిన్ మాస్టర్. git push origin master. Okay, now I push it to central repository. Now this code we cannot see in our local machine. We cannot see in our local machine. See here, cat space dev Now if you want to update local, git pull git pull command. So if you use git pull command, now it is updated. See here, devapps.txt file, it is updated. Now check it, the cat space devapps.txt. Now updated or not? So blindly remember, what is git pull command? If anyone is asking, what is git pull command? మీకు ఏమర్థమైంది ఇప్పటివరకే గిట్ ఫుల్ అంటే?
Retrieving the data from the central repository.
If you want to update, if any new changes happening central repository, so if you want to update your local repository, so we have to use git pull command. అంటే సెంట్రల్లో ఉన్న కోడ్ని నా లోకల్ అప్డేట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే we need to use git pull command. Got it? అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Very simple. Very, very important. What is git pull command? So there is one more command also is there, git fetch command. See here, git pull. Pull is nothing but so git pull command used to fetch and download content from the remote repository and immediately update in our local repository. నీ సెంటర్లో ఉన్న డేటాని నీ లోకల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది, మ్యాచ్ విత్ బోత్ సింకింగ్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏ డేటా ఉందో సేమ్ డేటాని లోకల్ అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ 1 ఫైల్ ఆర్ 10 ఫైల్స్ ఆర్ 100 ఫైల్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. ఫస్ట్ సింక్ అవ్వాలి, నీ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీని అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అప్డేట్ యువర్ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ, if any changes happening central repository, that changes I want to update my local repository, so we have to use git pull command. I hope you got it right. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Now there is one more command also is there, git fetch command. Very, very, very important. Interview 99% people are asking what is difference between git pull and git fetch. See here, git pull and fetch. This is very, very important command, interview purpose. 99% they are asking this question only. Okay, what is difference between git pull and git fetch? First see here. So git pull means, so see here, this is a central repository. Remote is nothing but central repository. Now this is the local repository. So this is the workspace, this is the index area. What it will do, it is updating, it is updating, it is updating, it is updating local repository as well as workspace also. Now got it? Clear? Uday, clear? Now see here, this is the local, this is the workspace, this is the index area, this is the local repository. If you use git full means, so in both area it is updating, in both area it is updating. That is nothing but it is merging also. See here, local repository as well as merge your code to your workspace also, updating code. That is nothing but, if you use git fetch command, it won't merge any code in our workspace, just it is updating local repository, only commit IDs, only references and all it is updating. అర్థమవుతుందా, అర్థం కాలేదా? వాట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ గిట్ ఫెచ్ అండ్, ఇఫ్ యూ సీ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ అండర్స్టాండ్. పుల్ వాడినారనుకో లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీని అప్డేట్ చేస్తుంది, మెర్జ్ కూడా అవుతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్గా వర్కింగ్ ఏరియా యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ. ఫెచ్ యూస్ చేశారనుకో ఓన్లీ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ రెఫరెన్స్లు మాత్రమే డిస్ప్లే సంథింగ్ చేంజెస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, సమ్ చేంజెస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సమ్ ఇంటిమేషన్, బట్ ఇట్ వోంట్ మెర్జ్ ఎనీ కోడ్ ఇన్ అవర్ వర్క్ స్పేస్ అండ్ ఆల్. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏం అర్థమైందో నాకు చెప్పండి ఒకసారి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ గిట్ పుల్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్డేటింగ్ లోకల్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ వర్క్ స్పేస్. If you use fetch, if it is giving some reference, it is giving some intimation whichever changes happening local repository. Now clear? but it won't do anything. It won't merge any code in our workspace. If you see practically, we can easily understand. అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా?
అర్థమైంది.
ఇప్పుడు చూడు ప్రాక్టికల్గా హౌ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. నౌ సో git git status. Now see here, any changes here? No. This is the which environment? Developer environment. Now go to DevOps environment. This is the DevOps. For your understanding purpose, this is another mission. And git status. Nothing. Everything clear only. Nothing to everything clean only. Okay. Now ఎక్కడ మాడిఫై చేయమంటారు చెప్పండి? డెవలపర్ 1లో చేయమంటారా, డెవ్లో చేయమంటారా, డెవాప్స్లోనా? ఎనీవన్. ఓకే. నౌ ls command. Now I am going to update this file, jenkins.txt file. See here, vi jenkins.txt insert. I am updating. This is Jenkins file. Okay. Escape colon x, save and exit. Now see here, cat space jenkins.txt 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 jenkins.txt. Now clear. Now git status. Now it is modified file. Now push it first. Remaining story only, same only. Git add, git commit -m updated Jenkins file. Okay. And also I am pushing git push origin, or we can use -u upstream origin master. Just I pushed also. So నేను DevOps నుంచి పుష్ చేశాను. Can you see this content in a developer environment? Cat space Jenkins. Data ఉందా లేదా? No, right? Yes or no? ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇక్కడ మాడిఫై చేశాను ఫైల్. DevOps కన్సోల్ నుంచి మాడిఫై చేశాను. ఫైల్ పుష్ చేశాను. File is available here, updated. Now if you want to see here, మళ్ళీ నేను ఏం కమాండ్ వాడాలి? If you want to update content, if you want to update files, which command? Git
గిట్ పుల్.
pull. I am not going to use git pull command. I am using git fetch command. Git full అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? అప్డేట్ అయిపోతుంది. Now I am using git fetch command. See here, git fetch command. Now if you use git fetch command, now see here, it is showing something, unpackaging objects and all. And see here, this is the commit id, and it is showing some information. And so this is some changes is happening master, but it won't update any content. See here, cat space jenkins.txt. Now data is merged or not? No, right? Data merge అయిందా లేదా, ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ అయిందా లేదా?
నో సార్.
No. So that is the meaning here. Git fetch means only it is giving some information, some changes happening local repository, but it won't merge anything. It won't update in our workspace also. That is the main difference between git full and fetch. If you use git full means it is updating local repository as well as merge code into work area also, both workspace. If you use git fetch means it won't update anything. It will give some intimation, references, some changes happening, that's it. Now where it is changes, if you want to check, there is one more command. See here, here also we are using. And so git branch -r. If you use git branch -r, it will display all. Now observe here, git branch hyphen git branch -r. Now see here, I am in master, origin master, git branch -v. Now this is I am last commit id. So everything already noted. Just now if you want to see whatever -a, all branches, git branch -a. Now see here, here we can see two git branch -a means I want to see all branches. So this master means this is the local branch. R is remote, origin master means this is the remote. This is the remote. Now got it, guys? Sorry. So here star represents your which branch? Master. So this is the local master. Remote's origin master means this is related to this one. This is related to this branch. This is related to this branch. Only master means this is your local branch. Here we can see master, right? It is pointing to, right now I am pointing to local only. I hope clear. Anyone, any doubt here? Here two workspace, right? Local workspace. This is the remote central workspace. Remote origin branch name means it is pointing to this one. Only specific branch name means it is pointing to local branch. Now in this case, which is the local, which is the remote? Anyone? దీంట్లో రిమోట్ ఏది అంటే సెంట్రల్ ఏది లోకల్ ఏది? ఇక్కడ మాస్టర్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా మాస్టర్ ఉంది. విచ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ రిలేటెడ్ టు విచ్ వన్? సెంట్రల్.
గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఉండే మాస్టర్ వచ్చి సెంట్రల్.
దిస్ ఈజ్ లోకల్. ఇక్కడ ఆరిజిన్ రిమోట్ ఉంటేనే ఇది సెంట్రల్. ఇది ఆరిజిన్ రిమోట్ లేదనుకో, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద లోకల్ బ్రాంచ్. నీ మిషన్ లో ఉన్న బ్రాంచ్ నేమ్. నౌ గాట్ ఇట్ కార్తీక్, డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినాను. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా చెక్ చేయండి. సి హియర్ గిట్ రిమోట్ -a all branches I need. Sorry, which what is this command? Git branch, right? Not remote. Sorry, git branch -a. Now see here, this is the local. ఇక్కడ head is nothing but latest commit ID. Just now I did one commit, right? Here see here I did one commit. This is the latest commit ID. ఇక్కడ చూడు ఎక్స్ట్రా మీరు కూడా చూడొచ్చు. head is nothing but latest commit ID. This is the master only. In master recently I did one commit ID. This is the origin master. Same only. This is also remote. This is also remote, and this is the local. Now come to here. Now I am in local, right? Switch to. How to switch branch? How to switch branch? So this is the command. If you want to switch the branch, and we can use so this is the command. Git switch. You can use branch name. So git already somewhere I written. You can check it here. Git switch. See here git merge test, git checkout master we can use, and git checkout. Maybe commands will listening order. Maybe somewhere I written. Git commit, git checkout, git branch name, git show branch name, and git remote origin push switch somewhere is there. Git switch. Check it here. Let me check it. SWCH git switch. Now we can use see here git checkout switch to new branch and branch name, and also we can use switch to master branch. We can use a checkout or switch, both are. Now let me move to that. So see here git checkout we can use or git switch 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 branch name. Which branch you want to go? Now we give. So here we need to give same branch name. Before that let me show you how to create branch. We can easily understand without knowing, right? So now here one more command is there. If you want to create any branch, we can create any branch. So we can use these commands. We can use this command. See here git checkout -b branch name, or git checkout. If you use specific branch name also, whatever you want we can use it. Now I want to create one more branch. Now a master is there, right? I want to test branch also. Test. Simply git checkout. I am using so for example test branch. What is this error? Git
Markunda -b.
B missed. -b is nothing but branch name. Git checkout -b branch name. Now see here one more branch also created. One more branch also created. So now if you want to see git branch 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 -a. Now see here, this is the master branch, this is the test branch, this is the remote branch. Now I am pointing to which branch? Karthik, now I'm pointing to which branch?
టెస్ట్ సార్.
Test. How we know test branch? ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తా ఉంది కదా సార్ అంటారా? ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడొచ్చు, మనకి స్టార్ ఉంది కదా,
Yes, sir.
star represents that is the connected branch name. So now this is the master, this is the test branch, this is the remote branch. And same way we can use one more command also, same. And so git, so now we can use git branch also. Now see here, if you use git checkout -b branch name is, it is creating one branch and automatically it will connect to that branch name. No sir, I don't want to connect that branch, just I want to create the branch only. This is the command, git branch and branch name. For example, I am using feature branch. I am using feature branch. Now see here, branch will create, but it won't connect automatically that branch. Now see here, B type error, right? BRA git branch and branch name feature. Feature is created. Now did I connected that branch automatically? No, right? Now check it. Git branch -a. Now see here, one more branch also created. Now if you want to create branch, we can use two commands. What are those commands? We can use git branch command and branch name. We can use a git branch name, or we can use git checkout -b branch name. We need to use checkout means it will create one branch and automatically switch that branch. For example, now I am in test branch. I want to switch to feature branch. I want to switch to feature branch. Now which command we can use? See here, git checkout, git checkout. Now I am using a feature branch. Now use it feature branch. Now we see here. Now I switch to which branch? Feature branch. Now clear. Anyone any doubt here? Now one more command also is there. Git switch switch and branch name. Which branch you want to switch? For example, now I am in feature, right? Now I move on to master branch. Now got it? Clear, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Now we can use these are the new commands. Just remember. And so if you want to use, if you want to create any branch, what is the command? If you want to create any branch, what is the command? We can use, if you want to create any branch, git branch, and directly we can use branch name.
-b.
This is the branch, branch branch name. Directly we can use. Or if you use checkout command, git checkout -b is mandatory. Branch name and branch name -b branch name. Now if you want to switch the branch, if you want to switch the branch,
Git switch.
git switch branch name. Now or else we can use checkout also, git check out, we can use branch name. Now clear, we can use anyone. Okay, so we can use directly switch also, or directly we can use checkout also. Anyone any doubt here? Yes, Shiva. What, Sadik? Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
multiple ways we can do it. If you use checkout, we need to mention -b. Without -b, it won't work. Here -b is nothing but branch name, and automatically it will switch that branch also. Same like here how we are using git checkout branch name is, it is creating one branch and automatically switch to that branch. No sir, I want to create only branch. So that case we can use git branch and branch name. That's it. Git branch and branch name. That's it. Clear? So there is
Yes, sir.
okay. Next class I will explain more on this and how content will come and what is the just simply I executed commands only, but you don't know right what is data and all how it will come. And the next class I will explain more on this and what is happening and how data is coming one branch to another branch and how it will work. So anyone any doubt as of now? Try to understand slowly and later we can easily understand. Now today which commands we discussed? Now we know what is pull command, correct? Git pull, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next git branch, branch name, and also git switch and branch name. Okay, branch name same and checkout and also fetch also we seen and there is few more steps pending. I will show you clearly. Okay, git fetch, but enter mostly they are asking what is difference between git pull and git fetch. Very important. At least you have to learn orally. So they are not asking any practically. Mostly they are asking what is difference between, very important question. What is difference between git pull and git fetch? Git pull and git fetch. Git pull and git fetch. Now you understand right here. What you understand just based on your words you can note it 1 or 2 points. So now pull means simply if you want to update your local repository, whatever new changes happening central, if you want to update local, we can use git pull command. So git fetch means it won't merge anything in our local, just it is giving a reference, intimation. Some changes is happening, but data is available only remote, remote, remote branch only. If you want to, we can merge it. If you want to, we can merge it. That's it. Clear, Shiva, as of now? Anyone, any doubt?
No, sir.
Right, clear. Next class, I will show you how to create branches and how data will come and so how to complete how to finish this one. We'll see next class. Okay.
Okay.